So we got the Geeky Chef Strikes Back. Cassandra Reader, Geeky Chef, hardcover. Do I recommend this book? Yeah, I know. Hop on your TV. We'll break it down. Going over the whole thing cover to cover. So, oh, there's an index. Well, let's run the index, shall we? So, how do I feel about this book? It's a good book. I'm not going to deny that. But this book is more like copy and paste shit. Yeah. More like, it feels more like she plagiarized the shit out of the other fandom cookbooks just to make a cookbook in her name. That's exactly how this feels, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah. Well, that's a big accusation. Nobody ever plagiarizes. Okay. Sure. Okay. So literally, with recipes, title, how to make it, crust, double crust, good shit, and all that. Some of these have 2 pages, some of these have 1. It all depends on how big they are. And they also break down, if they're vegan and all that jazz. Yeah, like some of these, and there's some pictures with them, and some don't have any. Just saying, there's kitchen nerd notes as well. Like, this is just plagiarizing from the Fallout cookbook, because literally, in the Fallout one I covered, they literally cover how to make Nuka-Cola. So, yeah. Not cool. Not cool at all. But, yeah, just how I feel. And there are some new ones in here I've never heard of. But this is an unofficial, so I don't fucking know. Can you stop? Thank you. There we go. Better. Right, the Genu. But it's strange to me that she would copy a bunch of recipes from other books and then put it into her book and, call it, unpublished. Like, that's kind of dumb. But whatever you do to make money. Will I buy this book? Probably no, because that just feels dumb, to be honest. It does. It feels kind of dumb. But, yeah, it is what it is. But if you don't mind that kind of shit, you can go for this book. If you want to learn how to cook better, this is definitely a good starting place for you. But honestly, I would get the other fandom cookbooks and go from there, whether, official sources and shit, versus somebody who's just going to copy and paste shit. Because, it's a massive cop-out. Oh, my. Yeah. But overall, I will give credit where it's due. Like, this is a good cookbook. I'm not going to deny that. It's got great recipes from different fandoms. So, it's kind of a introduction. This is from 2017, by the way. What else? It was over 100 pages. I know that much. Probably like 160 maybe. Ballpark. What's my favorite recipe out of this? I really don't remember. I did like something. I think it was the white dragon noodles because they looked interesting. Wife soup. Where's the husband soup? Like, literally, that's another copy from the Firefly cookbook I did. Yeah, well, it's a copying. Plagiarism. So, that looks good. Gunslinger burritos. I wish that movie had been better. Oh well. And I haven't read the comics, so it's gonna be a while. Yeah. And some of these have multiple pages. I think I mentioned that. So that's exciting. Because it takes a while to make a lot of these, and you have to pace yourself. So some are difficult, some are easy. But overall, it's good stuff. That's funny. But I will be looking for other fandom cookbooks to do as well, because these are a lot of fucking fun, to be honest. That's what I like, because it's nice to learn and all that good shit. Yeah, I did the Elder Scrolls cookbook. Shame there's not a picture for the Dauntless cake. Oh well. Yeah, I look for a Wheel of Time cookbook to come out eventually. I know there's one for Harry Potter. I haven't found that yet. I haven't looked, but we'll see. What else we got? I don't know. I still don't know what my favorite one was out of this. I do like Butterscotch. That's good stuff. Never played Undertale. Twin Peaks is alright. Good series. I gotta finish the follow-up, though. Yeah. That looks really good. Yeah. So, Morocco Steel and Friends, yeah. Try it out. See if you like it. Maybe you already own it. If not, well, I don't know. Oh, Xena. Nice. That's pretty dope. I might get this book. I don't know. Or I might just look up what I want and then go from there. Because like I said, some of these cookbooks, they're really cool. But some of them I don't really need to own. Like, some, I think the Fallout one had like a few recipes I wanted out of it, so I wasn't going to buy it. And we're done. Damn. Man, under 150. There's acknowledgements. Cookies. That's what she looks like. I already covered her first one that she did, so, yeah. So, that's that book. And that's all I'm doing today. So, until next time, like and subscribe for thoughts and prayers.